that the United States has taken lethal, targeted action against Al-Qaeda and its associated forces, including with remotely piloted aircraft commonly referred to as drones. As was true in previous armed conflicts, this new technology raises profound questions about who is targeted and why, about civilian casualties and the risk of creating new enemies, about the legality of such strikes under U.S. and international law, about accountability and morality.
'Cause we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boil up with the cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration. Feet in the streets, it's a new sensation. I wanna break faces on the pavement. I wanna make greatness look complacent. Adrenaline awakened, I can taste it. We can make an impact, grab and then take it.
This is the MQ-9 Reaper. It has some of the most advanced robotics in the world. The MQ-9 is a larger, heavier, and more capable aircraft than the earlier General Atomics MQ-1 Predator. The Reaper has a 950 horsepower turboprop engine compared to the Predator's 115 horsepower piston engine. The greater power allows the Reaper to carry 15 times more ordnance payload and cruise at about 3 times the speed of the MQ-1. The MQ-9 carries a variety of weapons including the GVU-12 Payway 2 laser-guided bomb, the AGM-114 Hellfire 2 air-to-ground missile, the AEM-9 Sidewinder, and the GVU-38 Joint Direct Attack munition. The outstanding engineering displayed on this machine has unfortunately been used to carry out attacks on foreign territory. The study suggests that between 2004 and 2020 there were a minimum of 14,000 drone strikes, resulting in approximately 20,000 casualties, from which they estimate 2,000 of those were non-enemy combatants. In 2008, the New York Air National Guard 174 Attack Wing began the transition from F-16 piloted fighters to MQ-9A Reapers, becoming the first fighter unit to convert entirely to unmanned combat aerial vehicles. In March 2011, the US Air Force was training more pilots for advanced unmanned aerial vehicles than for any other single weapon system. The Reaper is also used by the US Customs and Border Protection and the militaries of several other countries. The projected end of the service life of the MQ-9 fleet is in 2035, but this machine is just beginning.